Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video we will see 3 simple steps to maintain your watches in a nice condition in the depth of time. The first step is how to clean a watch. I'm sure that you all know the cleaning method with soap and water. Well, I don't fully agree, so we will see another method that is, in my opinion, safer and quicker. The tools that we need are a natural hair brush, might be a small painting brush or a makeup brush, whatever is more comfortable for you, then a high quality microfiber towel, and the last tool will be a spray bottle with a mixture of 50% isopropyl alcohol and 50% of distilled water. It's better to avoid nylon brushes like toothbrushes because there is a chance of micro scratching. That's why I told natural hair brush to be more gentle. You can adjust the bristle stiffness by cutting your brush shorter. As you can see, the procedure goes like this. You spray the IPA mix, you agitate it with your brush and then wipe it clean with your microfiber towel. If you want to go crazy, you can buy a compressed air can and do a quick blow to dry the watch and the bracelet. It's not necessary, but you can do it as an extra step. This method is the safest to clean and grease your watch. Using water sometimes can make a small damage. In some watches there are parts that they are not stainless steel, like some springs in bracelet pins. So if you wash them often and you don't blow the small crevices to be totally dry, the water stays at the springs and at the parts that are not stainless steel, and over time these parts are starting to oxidize. With the 50-50 IPA mix, the water tends to evaporate easier because of the mix with alcohol, so after the cleaning procedure, the watch is dry, avoiding the risk of oxidation. It's a very important step. Body oils can fade the stainless steel over time, so do skip the cleaning step. If you wear your watch all day, you can clean it once per week. The next step is storage. After you clean your watch, store it in a watch case. Don't leave it wherever, so you can eliminate the chances of having humidity in the watch or some accidental drop, or whatever can damage the watch. It's better to have your watch case somewhere away from television, soundbars and electronic devices with strong magnets, to avoid problems with mechanism. The last step is to schedule a service for your watch once every 3 to 5 years, if it's a mechanical or automatic. On the other hand, if you have quartz watches, avoid leaving them with dead batteries. Dead batteries can leak acidic chemicals that corrode the movement and irreparably damage internal components. As an extra step, if you want to go absolute crazy with your watch maintenance, you can find a shop that sells screen protections for smartphones and smartwatches. Cut at the plotter the diameter of your watch and stick the screen protection film on your watch glass to avoid scratching or breaking. So that was the video for today. I hope you find it helpful. If you like the video, hit the like and the subscribe button to help the channel grow, and I'll see you next week with another watch video.